Okay, so today is going to be a very short one. So when I was extracting my DVR file from my SkyZone goggles, I had this problem, and there was like basically the file was corrupted and I wasn't able to fix it. And theoretically, when you have a SkyZone goggles, if you hit the playback button, it theoretically should fix the file for you, but if obviously for mine it doesn't work. So I went online and I found this like really nice tool that you can use. It's completely free. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to GitHub, and basically I'm going to put this link below at the description. But before you download it, I want to make sure you know, please download this at your own risk and use it at your own risk. Okay, so select the one that you need. So for me, I basically have to download the 64 one, and after you download it, you basically go back to your file. You're going to run this software, and you are going to basically click the ones that says GUI. Okay, so the important thing right here is you do have to have a reference file that is good working order. Also, it has to come from the same camera, or if it comes from your goggles, it has to be from the same goggle. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to go select that one. So you can see that this video is good. I'm going to select this as my reference, and then I'm going to select this one, so it's going to fix it. All right, and basically after this, you just have to hit the button repair, and it's going to start running. All right, so once you're done, let's go back to the previous page, and you can see that this was actually fixed. So you can see that, hey, this is actually working already. So pretty good. I was quite happy with this tool. Apparently there's one with a newer version that is paid, but this one is still unpaid. So yeah, I don't know how long it's going to be free. So I suggest you to just download it if you still don't need it, but just download it so you can keep it in your pocket just in case one day you need it. All right, so that's about it. And if you have additional questions or comments, please leave it down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.